I used to love DevOps. One day, so my team that I worked with, we were in charge of basically software development tools.
Okay.
Thus, Jira being the project management part of it, TeamCity and all of our build tools being the other half of the story, right?
Mm-hmm.
And one day, our hard drive got corrupted. It filled up.
Okay.
The storage filled up. We somehow ignored all the warnings that says you're 99.999%
Happens.
filled up in your storage, and it started overwriting on itself to the point where the whole drive got corrupted. And
So
so
what tool was overriding? It wasn't Jira.
we used to have a tool, Solaris,
Solaris,
SolarWinds, something.
Solaris is an operating system.
Yes, SolarWinds, something that would monitor the health and status of a server. I
Okay.
forget the DevOps.
SolarWinds is one. I'm not sure if it dates that far back. I don't remember
Well, this
when.
was in 2017, 2018.
Oh,
SolarWinds,
SolarWinds was
yeah,
available then.
yeah. So we had something that kind of checked the health and status of the server, and we were in the middle of setting that up. But long story short, it got corrupted. Servers went down, and all the documentation to bring everything back on was on set server.
Mm.
And that was kind of the moment of like, you know what? I'm kind of done with IT.
So it wasn't that this ruined you for DevOps. This is I want to get out of doing
IT.
the
Yeah.
IT stuff.
That's why I
Well,
don't touch Jira Data Center. That's why I don't touch Confluence Data Center.
that's actually where I was going to go with this. Where a lot of the vendors, it's not only Atlassian, but Atlassian is the big leader in pushing all the software development tools to the cloud. And that just changes the skill sets that a DevOps consultant needs, because you're not interfacing directly with databases much anymore. You're not having to stand up servers or worry about disk space or failovers or disaster recovery. That most of that's handled by the vendor, especially in Atlassian's case. But the other vendors are following as well. And it's becoming a different, like I said, a different skill set that you have to have. You have to be
And
more customer
how do you
facing.
feel about that though? Given that you've been in this industry for as long as you have, are you bittersweet? Are you happy? Are you excited? Because I'm happy. I'm ecstatic, right? The fact that I don't have to log into Linux at all or look at a command prompt or a
So
terminal, I'm
yeah,
beyond.
I don't know if I'm bittersweet about it, because I'm neither bitter nor ever sweet. So um, I equate it to the muscle car era and the muscle car era ending, which is before your time, but you used to be able to take a car apart with like a small set of hand tools.